Archana, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Pharma and Jobs in Dubai. I hope you all must be very good and in good health. So friends, in my today's video, I'm going to discuss with you about the CV writing. As many of you have asked me to make a video on like what kind of CV we should make to be hired, or what kind of CV we should have that we when we apply for a job in UAE or in Dubai. So this video is going to be all about that what are the important points that you should not forget to include in your CV in order to get hired, and also some tips and some important points to be considered while writing a CV, while making a CV. So please subscribe to my channel Pharma and Jobs in Dubai. Please like the video and share it with your friends, and please do not forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel, who are already my viewers. So thank you a lot for subscribing to my channel. Please also like the video and share with your friends. So now today's video, I just begin in today's video what we have to what all things I have to discuss with you. So this was just a short that I just spoke about, and now I will let you know how you will proceed with your CV. So friends, there are many templates, there are many samples that are available in the internet. They are on the Google. If you do a Google search, you will find one or the other very good templates for writing your CV, for writing your resume, and you can find any good template for yourself from there, and you can make a CV on that. So finding a good template for writing a CV is not at all difficult, because nowadays there are lots of templates. Maybe many of you already know this, and some of you don't know. So who don't know that we have good templates, we have very good samples for CV on the internet nowadays. You have now come to know, so you can download any from there, and then you can write your content inside. So there are some points, but what is more important is yes, of course template is important, it's important, but not very important. What is very important is what is the content in your CV, what you really mention in your CV is very important. So we will discuss about what you should write, what you should exactly mention in your CV, what are the points that you should not forget to write when you are writing a CV, when you are making your CV. There are some points that I will not talk about other places, but I will only talk about UAE and Dubai, where I am living, and because I know things about here, so I'll just discuss the things that are that will be helpful for you to be hired by any employer. So in this video today, let's start now with what are the major points that you will include. So let's focus on that thing. So once you have already found a template and you are ready with your template, now you need to write a CV. So the first thing will be your colored photograph. So your recent colored photograph, a neat photograph with a good clarity is important. Always have your CV in a colored printout. Do not give a black and white CV to the employer. Always have a colored CV, a colored printout of your CV, because in the colored printout your photograph will be colored, and it also gives a good impression. It's a little bit costly than a black and white CV, but when you are about to learn a good salary, about to earn a good money in your life, then you have to spend a little bit on your CV as well. So have a colored CV printout, have a good photograph, a passport size photograph with good clarity, okay. And now after that you have to mention some points which are like many of you already know, that the basic points. So where you have to write about your skills, about your strong points, okay. So there will be, everybody has some strong skills, we all have some our strong points, that we want to tell. So always mention those more important skills and strong points in your CV. Okay, mention your qualifications, more focus on your higher education qualifications, or your degree, your certificates, your diploma courses, all whatever certificates you have, all whatever degree certificates you have. Mention about everything. You should also mention like which was your passing year. If you can mention the date, will be very good. In case you don't want to write the date, but please to write the year of passing, when you have completed your graduation, which year you have completed your post graduation, which year did you go for some certification course, in case if you have any. I'm just saying in case if you have any, not any particular. Which year you completed your PharmD, your PhD, or whatever good degrees, whatever higher degrees, or your diploma, whatever degrees, certificates you have. Mention the year of passing. It's very important. Then what is if you have your registered, of course it is needed, you should be a registered pharmacist in your home country. So your license, it's not only for the pharmacist actually, this video can be for anybody who is from any healthcare field. So you should like you are a licensed person, so you should have your registration in your home country, in your state, whichever state you belong to. Suppose you are in India, you are from Kerala, you are from UP, you are from any of the states in India, so you will be registered there in that particular state council. So you should have that registered license, the date, the validity, all those things you need to mention in your CV. Then you have to mention about your job profile that you had on the basis of your experience. That is very important. Mention the date and the year, both are important. Do not just mention I worked in so and so company, I worked in so and so company, I worked in so and so pharmacy, I worked in so and so hospital. Only this is not sufficient. Mention the date and the year. Okay, that is also important. Even if you worked for 6 months, doesn't matter. Write that 6 month duration there. If you worked for 2 years, you worked for 1 year, write that 1 year, 2 months, or 2 years, 1 year, whatever experience you have in that particular company, in that organization. Mention that with the date and the year. This is important. And then there are certain other points that you need to mention, like if you have done higher education, you have taken higher education, like you are an M.Pharm, you are a PharmD, then you might also have some publications, so write about your publications, in whichever journal they are published. You can write about your publications, so that is also a positive thing that reflects you as a pharmacist in your CV. Because initially the employer or the hiring team or the HR team do not know you. They only get to know you through your CV. So your CV should include all those important points that really reflect your personality of your profile. So you definitely need to mention all these points and more other points, which I will just share with you, so that the employer know. And that is the first stage, because once you're selected by your CV, then only you will get an email or you will get a call wherein you will be invited for an interview, and then the further process will go on. But the basic step starts from the CV. The first thing that goes to the CV, the employer, is your CV. So important points to mention in CV is very important. You just cannot skip these important points from your CV. Mention as many positive things as about yourself, but they should not be just fake. They should be true. You should have all those degrees, certificates, or all those experience, everything with you. So it should not be fake. It should be, it should be true. So you should mention all these things. And then secondly, after that, when you have mentioned all these things about yourself in your CV, then you need to we do not write some important things, or we miss some important things that are the keywords. Here the big recruitment companies, the big consultancies which hire the candidates, they look for some particular keywords that are related to your profile, your job profile. So you need to mention those keywords that define you in your CV. It's very important. Like you are a pharmacist, you have to mention that. You are a manager, but what manager? A marketing manager, or you are a quality control manager, you are a quality assurance manager, you are what manager? So you have to mention the particular words: marketing manager, sales manager, business development manager, as a pharmacist, or you are assistant pharmacist, senior pharmacist. So these kind of keywords should be included in your CV that defines your profile in a very short word, like just two words or just three words, but they define your entire profile. Okay, and then after that, the recruiter or the recruitment team can go through your CV to know more about you. So there are certain important keywords that you should include in your CV. So these are some of the important points that I thought to tell you. Maybe you know most of these points, and maybe you don't know some of these points. So in case if you don't know some of these points, so I have told you, and now you can mention in your CV. So now let me tell you about some other points that you should mention in your CV and that are very important. Most of the time, the people who search for a job do not mention these points. Even if they are present here in UAE, then also they forget to mention these points, and then they are not hired, they do not get hired, and then their visa expires and they have to go back to their home country. But they do not realize that with this single mistake, उन्होंने एक ऐसी गलती करी अपने CV में, जिसकी वजह से कि उनको कहीं से इंटरव्यू, मेरे पास when I was in Sharjah and my own pharmacy there, I had many candidates who were saying that कि हम इतनी जगह हमने अपना CV भेजा, बट हमें कहीं से कॉल नहीं आई, इतने टाइम से हम हैं यहाँ पे, बट हमें सिर्फ इतनी ही जगह से कॉल आई है इंटरव्यू के लिए. What is but they don't know what the main thing they were missing in their CV. Why it all happened? Because the employer do not know about you more. There are some points. That's what I said, that there are some points. So this is a tip for you, as well as one of the very important point for you to mention in your CV. So guys, अगर आप लोग UAE में present हैं, सपोज आप लोग टूरिस्ट वीज़ा में यहाँ आए हुए हैं, सपोज आप लोग विजिट वीज़ा में यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं, तो अगर आप लोग ऑलरेडी UAE के अंदर हैं, आप लोग ऑलरेडी दुबई के अंदर है, या यहाँ के किसी भी एमिरेट के अंदर हैं, यहाँ रह रहे हैं, अपने CV में एक्चुअली होता क्या है ना, इसके पीछे का रीज़न मैं आपको बताती हूँ, आपको जानना चाहिए उस रीज़न को. एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपेंस इज़ दैट आप लोग जब अपनी होम कंट्री से आते हैं, तो आप लोग वहीं से काफ़ी सारे CV प्रिंट आउट निकाल के लेके आते हैं, क्योंकि आप लोग सोचते हैं हम नई जगह पे जाएंगे, वहाँ पता नहीं हमें कितना पे करना होगा CV के प्रिंट आउट के लिए, तो हम वो पैसा वहाँ पे क्यों वेस्ट करेंगे. ऑलरेडी हमारे पास लिमिटेड अमाउंट है, हमारे पास जॉब है नहीं, हमने वहाँ पे रहना देना है, खाना देना है, ऑल दोज थिंग्स. सो वाई शुड वी वेस्ट मनी ऑन दैट. तो आप अपने होम कंट्री से ही अपने CV के प्रिंट आउट्स निकाल के लाते हो, और फिर आप यहाँ वही CV को फिजिकली भी दे देते हो, और वही CV को ऑनलाइन भी जो है अपलोड कर देते हो. और उसमें अच्छा आप ये करते हो वो ठीक है, लेकिन आप उसमें कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें लिखना भूल जाते हो, जो कि आपको लिखनी चाहिए अगर आप जिससे आपका हायरिंग प्रोसेस फास्ट होगा, और जिससे आपके जॉब लगने के चांसेस मैक्सिमाइज हो जाएंगे, मैक्सिमम चांसेस आपके हो जाएंगे जॉब मिलने के, अगर आप इन पॉइंट को इंक्लूड करेंगे. तो जो आप लोग भूल जाते हैं, क्योंकि आप अपने होम कंट्री से ही ढेर सारे CV के प्रिंट आउट निकाल के लाते हैं. ओके, अब वो इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स क्या हैं वो मैं आपको बताती हूँ. अगर आप यहाँ पे दुबई में ठहरे हुए हैं, तो डेफिनेटली राइट लोकेशन दुबई. If you are in Abu Dhabi, definitely write your location Abu Dhabi, or you can simply write location UAE. Do not mention any emirate. No need to write Dubai, UAE. Just write there. You can write UAE, or if you want, you can write the emirate in whichever emirate you are present. And secondly, ऑल्सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू राइट योर वीज़ा स्टेटस। आप यहाँ पे हैं, आपके पास वीज़ा होगा, आपके पास विजिट वीज़ा पे होगे या टूरिस्ट वीज़ा पे होगे, और या उसके अलावा भी अगर आपके पास कोई फैमिली वीज़ा है, आप अगर वाइफ हैं किसी की तो आपके पास हस्बैंड वीज़ा है, किसी तरह का कोई स्पॉन्सर वीज़ा है, तो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू मेंशन योर वीज़ा स्टेटस इन योर resume at the last. So these 2 points are very important. The location, if you are in Dubai, especially people who are in UAE, because many of you come here in UAE and after that you search for yourself job, which is a very good thing. So for those people I'm saying particularly that please mention in which place you are living, your location, and also mention your visa status. क्योंकि मैंने आपको बताया है कि आपको एम्प्लॉयमेंट वीज़ा कंपनी प्रोवाइड करती है जो कि बिल्कुल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट होता है, ठीक है। तो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट वो एम्प्लॉयमेंट वीज़ा होता है, तो वो उसका पूरा चार्ज आपकी कंपनी पे करती है। तो अगर आप टूरिस्ट वीज़ा में हैं और आप उस ड्यूरेशन में, जिस ड्यूरेशन में आपकी वैलिडिटी है वीज़ा की 1 मंथ की, आपको जॉब मिल जाती है, तो जो आपकी कंपनी है वो आपके उस वीज़ा को फिर कन्वर्ट करती है, आपके विजिट वीज़ा को फिर कन्वर्ट करती है आपके एम्प्लॉयमेंट वीज़ा या आपके वर्क वीज़ा में। सो इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर द कंपनी टू नो दैट यू आर ऑन अ विजिट वीज़ा, यू आर ऑन अ हस्बैंड वीज़ा, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वीज़ा यू हैव एंड वेयर इज़ द लोकेशन दैट यू आर लिविंग। सो ये चीज़ें इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है अपने CV में मेंशन करना। सो फ्रेंड्स, बहुत सारे इंपॉर्टेंट टिप्स मैंने आपको इस वीडियो में आज दी हैं, बहुत सारे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स मैंने इसमें मेंशन किए हैं, और इसके अलावा और भी कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स, और भी कुछ अच्छी स्किल्स, और भी कुछ स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट्स आपके हैं अपने बारे में, तो उन सबको भी आप अपने CV में इंक्लूड कीजिए। क्योंकि जब हमारा CV हमारे एम्प्लॉयर के हाथ में जाता है, जो मेल होता है, वो कुछ नहीं देखता है। वो क्या देखता है? कुछ नहीं देखता है इन द सेंस वो उतना बड़ा CV सब नहीं देखता है, 3 पन्ने 4 पन्ने का CV वो नहीं देखता है। What he see is qualification, what he see is your previous experience, you have a license or eligibility letter, you are located in Dubai or not, you have what is your visa status। ये 4 5 6 पॉइंट्स वो बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस करते हैं। ओके, आफ्टर दैट उनके पास अगर बहुत टाइम है तो वो थोड़ा बहुत और भी उसमें से देख लेते हैं, फिर आपसे कुछ पूछ लेते हैं। ऐसी अगर थोड़ा इंटरव्यू उनको लंबा करना होता है तो दे आस्क यू अबाउट एनी पब्लिकेशंस इफ यू हैव, सो दे विल आस्क यू, ओ यू हैव पब्लिश्ड एन आर्टिकल ऑल्सो, सो इन विच पब्लिकेशन एंड ऑल लाइक दैट वाइट क्वेश्चंस। बट दीज आर द मेजर पॉइंट्स विच दे लुक फॉर in a CV mainly. They do not read your whole entire CV. When the CV is in their hands, you're sitting in front of them at the time of interview, they just go through these 4 to 5 things in your CV, and they also ask you questions related to that wherein you say yes or no kind of things. So this was all in this video today for about how you can write a CV, what are the important points you should mention in your CV. So I hope friends आपको ये आज का वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। प्लीज़ मेरे वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।